Welcome back, everybody, to another ChatGPT tutorial. My name is Bob Rafferty, and today I'm going to go over how to create a meal plan for the week. So my wife is not very keen on trying to come up with ideas for dinners uh, to cook for our family. So with ChatGPT, this makes this much easier. So let's get right into it. Let's type in let's create a meal plan for the week. So here it's saying Monday, breakfast, Greek yogurt, lunch, snack, and dinner. So this is going to get pretty detailed here. Um, and it's going to give us Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So every day of the week and each meal that you could possibly want. It's giving us all these ideas. This is a little too in-depth for me. So I don't need breakfast and I don't need the snack. Actually, we'll just tell it to create a plan for dinners. So, so let's just create a plan for dinner. And ChatGPT says, got it. Here's dinner only meal plan for the week. So Monday, baked salmon. Tuesday, chicken stir fry. Wednesday, grilled steak. Thursday, baked chicken thighs. Friday, spaghetti with turkey meatballs. And Saturday, grilled shrimp tacos. Sunday, slow cooked beef stew. So let's tell it I only need Monday to Friday. So now it's just giving us Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Let's say I want uh, Wednesday to be a healthy meal. So you can see here, Wednesday, grilled lemon herb chicken served with a side of roasted sweet potatoes, mixed green, and a mixed green salad. So it's modified this according to what we want. Let's tell it. Let's add meal plans for lunch. So that's going to give us Monday lunch, grilled chicken Caesar salad. Dinner was baked salmon and quinoa uh, and roasted asparagus. So I'm going to tell it, because I don't like salmon, I'm going to tell it that I don't like salmon and I don't like quinoa. So I don't like salmon or quinoa. And it's going to update its memory here. And you can see dislikes salmon and quinoa. So then I think it was Monday. Monday was baked salmon with quinoa and roasted asparagus. So now we got Monday baked cod with roasted potatoes and steamed green beans. So it's changed up the menu according to what I like and don't like. Um, Wednesday is still what we call healthy day. So we got lentil and vegetable soup with a slice of whole grain bread and then the grilled lemon herb chicken. So let's say, all right, I don't know how to make grilled lemon herb chicken. So we're going to let me just copy this. Give me step by step instructions on how to make grilled lemon herb chicken. So here it starts giving us all the ingredients that we need and then the instructions. Prepare the marinade, marinate the chicken, preheat the grill, grill the chicken, add lemon slices is optional, rest the chicken, serve. So I can say, how many people will this serve? Says this recipe serves 4 people, each person getting 1 chicken breast. If you need to adjust for more or fewer servings, simply scale the ingredients accordingly. So I'm going to tell it, scale the recipe for, to 2 servings. And it says here's a scaled down version of the recipe. So now this one's going to serve 2 servings. Now let's go make all meals 15 minutes or less to prep, because I don't have a lot of time to prep for dinner. So then it's going to tell us use pre-cooked grilled chicken strips or rotisserie chicken for our chicken Caesar salad. So now it's scaled, or it's put in menu options here that will take less than 5 minutes to prep for each, or less than 15 minutes for each one. So just give you a quick idea how, one of the ways that you can use ChatGPT. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.